What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps crashing issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all, close all background apps that are running in the background. So to do this, click on this recent key and from here swipe up to close a app. Or if there are too much apps, then you can click on this bin icon to close all the apps at once. So that's how you can close all the background apps to fix keeps crashing issue. But after doing this, if you're still facing the crashing issue on your phone, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like crashing issue. So after restarting, if you're still facing the same issue, then try updating your mobile software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone is not updated to the latest version, then update your phone to the latest software version, and after updating the phone, the crashing issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the crashing issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.